Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to share my experience at Barceloneta Beach with you. This is one of the most popular beaches in Barcelona, and for good reason. The stunning views, the crystal clear waters, and the vibrant atmosphere make this a must-visit spot when you're in the city. As soon as I arrived at the beach, I was struck by its energy. There were people everywhere, sunbathing, playing beach volleyball, and swimming in the sea. The beach is very well equipped with showers, toilets, and changing rooms, so you don't have to worry about anything once you're there. But what really sets Barcelona apart is its unique blend of old and new. The beach is surrounded by modern skyscrapers, but if you look towards the back, you'll see the old fisherman's quarter, which has retained its traditional charm. This combination of old and new is what makes Barcelona so special. If you're looking for a bit of action, you'll be pleased to know that there are plenty of water sports activities available, such as paddleboarding, jet skiing, and parasailing. The water is warm and inviting, and it's the perfect place to cool off on a hot summer day. One of the things I loved most about Barceloneta was the food. There are plenty of bars and restaurants along the beach, so you can grab a drink or a bite to eat whenever you feel like it. The seafood is particularly good, as you might expect, and I highly recommend trying some of the local dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and write a comment below to let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content like this. I hope to see you again soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.